So let's do a quick analysis on EURJPY for today. If you are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed, guys, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. Now, before we get started, we would want to start with the full trend, right? We can say that the full trend, right? If you take a look at it, if you have to zoom it out, the full trend is actually an uptrend move. That is, if you go to the let's see it on the weekly time frame, you can see that the weekly time frame is actually an uptrend move. This movement started since 2020. This we can kind of like sit like a pullback. Sooner or later, we should continue that uptrend move on Euro JPY. So that is it. But when you take a look at this movement that is being made on Euro JPY, you can see that this price is dropping, which is bearish, and it has gotten to a level where we would be having a reaction, or kind of like a support if you want to see it. Now let me zoom it, let me add this line properly here. So this we will be finding a rejection at this level. We saw price has once reacted to this same level. When price came to this same level, we saw it bounced up. Then once price broke below it, it gave us a pullback. We can consider this as a false breakout if you want to, but eventually price gave us that bullish move, came back again to test the same level again. Price went up. Now price has to drop again to test the same level. So what are you going to be expecting on Euro JPY? Of course, we'll be expecting a further bullish move. So at this level, we're expecting a bullish move. That is it. Today also, we expect Euro JPY to actually open and close bullish. Let's see if it will give us that movement, right? And we can also see, if you take a look at this movement, if it's considered this to be a drop, this will be seen as a pullback, right? This is a drop. Price has gotten to a level where it will react. Definitely, we expect if this will continue to go bearish, then of course a pullback should happen here. Then if it will continue to go bearish, then we should get that bearish move, right? Which I don't think so. I believe it will continue to go up. But before that, we need to have a pullback. So another reason why EURJPY, we expect a bullish move at this level. So price has gotten to a level where we will be finding a rejection. So let's see if we can get that rejection today. And let's see what this forward time frame is actually saying. So the forward time frame is kind of like spiking up. Can you see it? Forward time frame is giving us a bullish move. So I believe more bullish move is to come. And let's see this JPY index. Basically, JPY index has gotten to a level where we would have a reaction. We saw a reaction at this level. Most price came to this same level again, reaction, and now prices at this level. Of course, we expect a reaction by giving us a pullback. As JPY index will be dropping, then we expect Euro to JPY that we will be trading to give us a bullish move. Another reason why EURJPY will give us a bullish move. Currently, we are trading at a level of 138. Let's try and hit a level of 139 for today. So if you can grab about 100 pips for today on EURJPY, I think it will be okay. So EURJPY, watch out for a bullish move.